Hey YouTube family, welcome back to my channel. I'm posting video after quite long time. I was quite sick, so I couldn't post regularly. So this time I'm bringing to you a course. Specifically, I'm going to talk about three courses. It's all related to management, and it's in the country Slovenia, Schengen country. In this video, I'm going to discuss about three major courses, that is management in food industry and nutrition, hospitality and tourism, and health tourism. Because I was getting a lot of queries and like, sir, you're making videos mostly for medical related faculties and engineering, but you're not talking about some other courses like management, because there are various applicants specifically from India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, and various third countries who want to be a part of management courses in Schengen countries where there is good opportunities available, good settlement options available, and job opportunities as well. So I'm going to discuss it briefly in this video about the university, about the courses, what are the job opportunities you're going to get in the later after the completion of the courses, and what are the various things or the skills you're going to learn from these courses. So just sit and watch this video. So first thing first, why should a student choose this country, Slovenia? So I will answer this. I have made few points you need to consider. The very first important thing, it's a Schengen country. So you already know how reputed the country gets because of this theme, this Schengen thing. Because of it, you can travel in all EU countries that has the same Schengen visa, and you can travel to 20 plus countries. Along with that, Slovenia is the 7th ranked safest country in the world. Another thing, as compared to other European countries, Slovenia, the living and accommodation and the expenses is quite less. So it's quite affordable for the students, also specifically for third country, because you already know the currency exchange. It's huge as compared to euros and the third country currencies. And after that, if we talk about the location of Slovenia, it's centrally located. It shares neighbors. The neighbors are Italy, Austria, and Germany. So you already know they are surrounded by well-developed countries. Apart from that, you also have the availability to do part-time job. It's not going to be the full-time, but for part-time, you are eligible enough to work and earn a decent money that can help you in sustaining your living and accommodation and everything, because you are already aware, mostly from third country students, they have some issues with the funding and everything. And if you have the opportunity to do a part-time, because majorly students do in their starting years, so it's a great thing. Even after that, they have a 1 year stay back program, and after that they do have a 7 year citizenship program. Like if you are able to complete your courses and do everything, you're able to show yourself that you're giving enough taxes to the government after completing the courses, you're getting a job, you are giving back to the government your skills and everything. So there is some settlement option for the later years also. These are the basic points you need to understand about Slovenia. So let's talk about the college, the curriculum. The name of the college is College of Management VM Bled University. It's situated in Slovenia. It has, I'm going to talk about three courses. They all share the same 3 years program with 180 credit, and they also follow the ECTS system, that is the European Credit Transfer System, that is eligible in all the countries, that is following the Bologna level 1 process. So let's discuss about it briefly. About the accreditation of the university, I will put it on the screen, and also the breakthrough of all the year, the semester wise subjects and courses, I will put it on the screen for all these three courses. Just you look and analyze it carefully. Esteemed professionals from various sectors, they're actively participating in the program. They're providing valuable insights and experiences to enrich students' learning journey. So basically, they are very reputed professors. They are taking huge pains in providing a practical approach of knowledge, so they can have an environment in a real world scenario. They face all the difficulties like the same, how they need to tackle, they need to develop that skill. Everything will be taught in this program. And also the employability, the study programs is like interdisciplinary and globally oriented, which makes it highly competitive in both the domestic and European labor market. And they are because of the curriculum and because of the reputation of the university, you have high chances of getting job opportunities in these Schengen countries, maybe in Slovenia, or if you're interested to go further, you can also go to various other parts where they're also seeking the skilled laborers. The study program offers an individual approach with small group classes and daily access to lectures for personalized support. So the student will not feel it's like I need to study in a big group. What if I have some doubt and I'm not able to clear it? It's not going to be like that. Every Student is given a proper channelized knowledge. A student can ask anything and have clear doubt and have a clear vision. Another important thing is the international compatibility of this university. The study program adheres to the Bologna system, which is allowing for seamless transitions and recognition of completed obligations, exams, and diplomas at domestic and foreign universities. So this was a short synapse about the university, how you'll able to learn the skills, how you will be a part of a great curriculum, what things they are offering. Everything I tried to cover in this video, and if you need more details, you know where to connect. I'll provide you all details necessary. You know where to connect from my website, from my WhatsApp, from Instagram, anywhere you can avail the appointment, and we can work accordingly. And you know what to do. You just need to like, share, and subscribe, and keep supporting me. I will keep bringing more and more informative videos that can help you in boosting your career and choosing a great path for your future. So have a nice day.